I am Denise Palmer, and I am an illustrator, artist, and surface pattern designer working out of my studio close to the Gulf of Mexico, where water adventures and botanical plants surround my everyday life. Welcome to these video chats, where I talk about some of the techniques I've used to create my artwork and chat about all things illustration, art, and design. Hello, and welcome again to another holiday episode. Today, I'm going to talk about how your own adventures can inspire your artwork. I usually love all things tropical because my home is near the ocean and water, but our family took a vacation recently to Blue Ridge, Georgia, and stayed in an adorable mountain cabin. It was such a change of scenery, and there were so many items in the cabin with black bears that I fell in love with the black bears myself and needed to create some black bear artwork. We didn't get to see a real black bear while we were there, but I imagined what Christmas would be like with a family of black bears living close to the cabin. So I created a Christmas design with a black bear who loves fish and Christmas gifts at the center of the design. And you can see him coming to life here in the sketch with a ski board strapped to his back with presents, a wreath, some forest greenery, and a pot of honey. Once the sketch was done, I added in his dark, almost black fur and all the details that capture this incredible animal in Procreate. I usually like to give my animals something fun and interesting that they're doing, and so putting the presents and everything on top of his back as if he's carrying it somewhere was a fun interpretation of the bear getting into mischief. Using the sketch as a guide, I added more details with coloring in the presents and wreath and greenery. And of course, the jar of honey. I don't know if bears like honey, but it was something that was not traditionally Christmas, so I had to incorporate it into the giftable items on the ski boards. Adding in the final details of the artwork, creating the lines on the presents and bringing in the berry details on the wreath, brings in the holiday colors as well as the last little details of the bows and the little bees around the honey pot. I added in fish and flourishing details around this bear, and you can see those details here in this finished design with the border and flourishings that create this finished design. I could see this black bear artwork on a holiday card or as a throw pillow or used on fabric as a blanket to snuggle with by the fireplace. I also think it would make really fun Christmas pajamas too. This is the artwork shown on a card that is in my portfolio, as well as this is a finished pattern design where I created the elements in a repeat where he's got the fish as if they're like on fishing hooks on his back and little details that would make a fun repeat. I will be sharing more process videos just like this one, so be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.